Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, June 26, 2009. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 2 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right at 9:13:25, 9:13:50, and we were coming down off of a news announcement. At 8:30, the market shot up and immediately started trading off, came down beneath our moving average, and we actually had an extension entry that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 12 ticks. But in the trading room, we did not take a lot of these trade signals today because we were actually in what was a flatline range trading range, and so we weren't taking the normal setups as shown here. But for the video purposes, if you're doing the trading plan, I just want to make sure that you see all the trades that were signaled and fired, and basically we only had one signal in the trading room we took today, and that was later on. I'll show you that one. But after that move, we went up and closed our gap, and there was some folks that took an opportunity to take that gap trade in the room. Coming off of that gap, we got a signal to go long that produced targets 1 but got stopped out on the second target, so that was a negative 2 tick loss. And then on that follow through, we got a signal to go long, and that particular signal actually went straight for a 2 tick stop out. Both contracts got stopped out, so that was a 14 tick loss on that particular trade. And then on the rebound, there was a signal to go short. Again, got the first target off, no follow through. We needed to get one more tick down here, so that second contract got stopped out on that particular trade. So as you can see, the market is just going sideways, and when you get in these tight range days and your internals are telling you to stay out of the market, like the plan talks about, that's what you have to do, because here you go, we got to move across our moving average, we got a signal to go long, and if you weren't following your market internals, you would have taken that again to get your first contract, no follow through, so you got stopped out of your second one for another 2 tick loss. And then finally, this is the trade that our internals finally, we started breaking down of our range, and our internals said it was okay to take this short, and this is the one we took in the room, and we got short, and that did produce targets 1 and targets to the downside for 12 ticks. And then we basically got into our lunchtime dead zone. And coming out of the dead zone, there was the one opportunity in the afternoon. We had this move down, and it produced enough distance for us to get short. We got our first contract off, but we didn't get any follow through. We got held up by this old support, and sure enough, the market bounced and took us out of our second contract for a 2 tick loss. So, today was a day where there was a much ado about nothing, right? There was 7 trades that fired today. It was a very, very choppy day. The market was basically just chopping sideways all day, but if you were following the plan blindly and took every signal as it come to you, you would have 7 trades and you would have netted 2 ES ticks. However, we stayed out of most of this in the room today, and so some of you junkies out there that are on the trading plan, if you're not using your internals, I would suggest that you stop by and take a look at the room and let us help you out in that regard. So anyway, I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.